You're good. Nah, he's deep saved. Who took that one, Benji? Nice run, brother.
Might have been good.
That was good. Nice run.
Oh shit. Clean it again if you got to. Nice run, man. Y'all came out with them nice to show something. That's what's up, though. That's what's up. Be nervous now. Too far up, Benji. Nice save, Benji.
Yeah, Benji.
Benji versus Russ, temp scale. There you go, Benji. That was the best run of the day right there. Oh. Woo! We're gonna see.
Yeah, they've been talking about it all week. Things been sending him videos this morning, how I get on this video, sending him videos, how he's on it.
Didn't read none of it.
Hold up, Johnny. Oh. Yeah, it was I don't know why I was in front of you. They probably didn't read me in the right lane.
I don't know.
Did you cash the mine's already cashed up?
For what? I see? Nah, they right there.
We still open?
See? They didn't read me. Because they didn't read my car going through.
That's so fucking fast, my nigga. That's too fast. Nigga, that's what I was doing.
Right lane, because I went through my beam. You can obviously see who took that win.
You saw what you said.
You. Benji took me off the light that one. Yeah, he did. I was sleeping at the light.
That shit goes so fast you can't even read that something.
He got.
Yeah, he got that shit.
Yeah. See, it just read me on the brake back too. That's crazy. Come on, let's go.
God damn. I hate that shit, bro. Right. I'm trying though. I mean, weeks and weeks in that motherfucker. Beating them up, I'm trying. I'm kicking on this guy. I went through the fucking left. Damn, dude, what the fuck? Yo, that shit not reading the beat, bro. You keep moving that shit. That shit too fast, bro.
We know who took that though. Fuck that. I was in the front. Fuck that. Yeah, we know who took it though.
Nigga, I'm telling you, keep breaking the fucking beam though.
I don't know why.
I think it's the color.
Nigga, you going too fast.
It same pink before. But listen, not reading mine in a splat beam, cause that's the finish line beam. As long as I don't red light though, time either.
Them bitches are moving. Somebody at the end.
I can tell you passed first last time.
Yeah, I know that. Trust me, he know that. He know what's going on.
You know the deal. Where that big car run? That shit there, bro. This one run too?
Yo, man, why don't you just give it to me, Dre? Why don't you just give it to me?
Smoking his cars and everything.
You gave me at that time, man.
Right hand or left hand?
UPS.
No, Benji beat him?
Nah, that shit red light. It gave me at that time. What that bitch ran though? Show me what that bitch ran.
If it shows.
Oh, damn.
170.
Yeah, there we go.
0.30.
What was that? 1718.
Hey, only by like that 81 and I'm like that 0.3.
It gave it to me that time.
No, it was you.
Hear it? Huh? Yeah. I keep going far to the right, so now I came closer. So now it's reading it.
1.8.
12. You might get off the line now.
Huh?
I do too. When the old me around here. Yeah. That's the quick way to borrow racing.
Benji, you get that thing fixed, I'll give you a grudge race.
You give me what?
Benji get his car fixed, I'll give him a grudge race.
Oh, I thought you were telling me. I might try.
Nah, whoever, I don't care. I know everybody want Pinky.
I might try. This might be the time to think you mess up. Let's go.
Pinky's still a chick.
You might mess up.
You don't catch Pinky sleeping.
You got to. That's the only way you're gonna catch her, sleeping at the light.
Get high, man.
Alright, this is the second half of Street Eliminator. We put temp scale in the middle of that because we knew this was gonna be a big class. But we got 26 races coming up again. Left lane.
That was a good one.
Getting breezy, that shit. No way. The pinion came off?
Nah, red leg. Red leg.
Oh, that's a real racer right there. Real racer. Nice let off. 1-1. Dan, you had it if you would have brought it back through that beam. You had it. Sorry, Dan. Yeah, good racer, fellas. Good racer. Yeah, you got him. He didn't cross his beam. He went over it. Oh, he red lighted.
That thing went down on
You red lighted, Papa. He went in the pond. Not me. Go through, Papa. Wow. A win is a win, Papa. A win is a win. You better hope that Willie. You better hope that little one Willie ball caught that beam. I knew.
Got it.
Papi, you only red light because you scared. Nah, this is they racing.
They raced him again. They raced the first time.
Yeah. That race, yeah.
They ain't red like this time.
Yo! That car looked like it came out the Fast and the Furious, my man. Damn, you was moving. Nice run, Matt. Nice run, Matt. Nice run, little man. Nice run. I already put my shit in the 2.5.
Hey, at least I did 2-2 the first time.
Cause I was. Nice, little man. Nice run. Nice run.
Yeah.
Nice run. Nice run.
I understand what you're telling me. We're not with the
It'll get it stuck. You need to turn up the torque limit. Oh yeah, both red lit. That shit hooked. Damn, Brian. Nice run. Nice run. There you go, that sun. That's what I got. That 2-1 gonna be a problem. Oh, I'm gonna check tire the final. That's what's gonna hurt.
Watch. Focus.
Nice run, little man. Nice run.
Something came out. Fuck around. I thought I seen something come off your car.
2-3. There you go. Hey, red light. See, tire's hooked. 2-3 right there. Gotta be a 2-3. Let's get this money, Trevor. Nice run, Russ.
They may get daddy paid.
Little man ain't come to play today.
Get daddy paid.
2-3 back to back. Oh my God.
He stopped in from Boogie. I don't even know who's the next shit.
That was.
He stopped for a split second just to straighten out again.
I think it's yeah, that's 2-0. 2-0. He red lighted in the line. He red lighted.
I think Boogie too.
And he nearly ain't enter. 2-2, 2-3. Whole shot. The whole shot. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Trust me, I know. Yeah. Whole shot him. Whole shot. Let's look at that time slip. That motherfucker is a beast on the light. Oh, he skinned through on the left. Nice run, fellas. Oh, he ran a 2-3, Josh. He got you. Look where he got you at. That's that line. There you go. Nice driving, bro. It's 1-1 right now. Damn. You let off in the end? You let off in the end?
Who, me?
Yeah.
It's got too hot. That's why I just had to reset it.
That's why I just...
Come on, baby.
Julia made sure he got his shit right.
He's got a
2-3, 2-2. Yo, you hear them tires screeching off the line? That's how your shit be sound. Right lane.
1-1.
2-4,
Eso fue
2-3.
estaba muy atrás, estaba en
Junior got that one. Ooh! Right lane. Right lane. 2-4. He's chilling. He's chilling.
As long as he stays right there.
Stay right there. Yeah, he said yeah. He told me yeah. Nice save, Kush. Nice save. Street Eliminator, it's a lot of racing, man. Day full of race. Nice one, like gentlemen. Tried to say lady. 2822. It's that jump. Every time it jump, it does that shit. Keep going up. There you go. Ooh. 2-3. Thanks, bro.
Somebody get that man's car by him.
2-3.
What's that time?
Ready. You're good. Julio, you shut down? Hey, get up in that beat for a red light, y'all. Nice run.
Now she's running straight and fast.
Gotta go through the beam. You gotta win. You gotta win.
Keep going. Go to your lane. Dale. They're both at the bumper.
That's what they like staging at, is on the bumper.
That was the best.
It's too late. He running 2-1s consistently now. He got his shit down. 2-2, 2-2. Caught him out the hole.
And he fucking took off late.
Gapped him. Gapped him out the hole. Smoke reaction. Like literally see smoke come from that bitch. Thank you. Thank you. Go down. I'm ready. Got me off the light right there.